There you go.
All right, we're talking about salmon here. This is problem number 10. We're talking about a catering hall and a problem they have because they're buying salmon by the pound. They're selling it by the ounce, and so they're trying to get their heads around how much everything costs them and what they're making. So let's look at this. Let's look at the facts we know. First of all, this catering hall is paying $2.72 per pound for their salmon. That's their food cost. They're selling it for 75 cents per ounce. So we're gonna have to convert either pounds to ounces or ounces to pounds in order to get this thing straightened out here. And it's a little confusing too because there's another 0.75, and that's the portion size. 0.75 pounds is the portion size that they're selling it. So picture on a plate this piece of salmon. It's 3/4 of a pound of salmon on a plate. That's the portion size. All right, Karen, would you please pause that for me for a second?
Okay.
All right, now look. Let's look at some things there. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to calculate the food cost here. The food cost percentage, which is one of the questions that are asked here. So I know I've got my food cost of oops, why is it not coming out there? 2.72. Is that clear enough, Karen?
Yeah.
Okay. 2.72. Okay. And I've got to put that over the selling price. The problem is I don't quite know the selling price. I only know it per ounce. And this 2.72 is per pound. So here's what I want to do. I want to take the 0.75 per ounce that I'm selling it for, multiply it times 16, and that gives me $12 per pound as a selling price per pound. So I'm going to, in order to calculate the percentage here, I'm going to divide 2.72 per pound of cost by $12 per pound of selling price. And what I'm going to get is my food cost percentage is 22.7%. Pause that, please, for me.
Okay.
All right, now the second question asks for what is the food cost per portion. Now remember, the food cost the portion size is 3/4 of a pound. So this is pretty simple because I know what the food cost per pound is. The food cost per pound is $2.72. Okay, so I'm simply going to multiply that times 3/4 because it's 3/4 of a pound, and what that gives me is it's going to cost me $2.04 per portion for this salmon. Elegant? Sweet? You bet it is.